Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Bogasing G4. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now, or it reconnecting automatically, or you can click it at the device list. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just press and hold on the power button to turn off your speaker, and then press one time the power button to turn on it. And it reconnecting, so maybe it should help you. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So, press and hold at the power button to turn off your speaker. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Now forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and then press on the power button to turn on your speaker. Now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we just should pairing it. So click on it, and we did it. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold M button until you will hear the voice prompts, and you will see that this red light start blinking. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon. Forget. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android device, and then click on your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!